Navigating the hot seat, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, put in the hot seat. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal settings, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it correctly in your conversations? Let's explore together and expand your English vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. The phrase, put in the hot seat, refers to a situation where someone is under intense scrutiny or pressure, often facing difficult questions or challenges. Imagine being in a situation where all eyes are on you, and you have to respond to tough, sometimes uncomfortable questions. That's exactly the kind of scenario this expression describes. It's as if you're sitting on a chair that's too hot, making you feel anxious and eager to stand up or escape the situation. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember and use them more effectively. The term, hot seat, has its roots in early 20th century America, originally referring to the electric chair used in executions. Over time, the meaning evolved to describe any high-pressure situation, not just the literal life or death context. This background gives the phrase a dramatic flair, emphasizing the intensity of the scrutiny or questioning one might face. To get a better grasp of how to use this expression, let's look at some examples. In a job interview, when the interviewer started asking about my previous job's challenges, I really felt like I was put in the hot seat. In a debate, the politician was put in the hot seat when asked to explain her policy inconsistencies. Among friends, we put John in the hot seat by asking him about his secret cooking recipe. These examples show that being put in the hot seat can happen in various contexts, from formal to informal, anytime someone is being closely questioned or examined. When using this phrase in your own conversations, remember that it implies a level of discomfort or challenge for the person being questioned. It's perfect for situations where someone is being tested or needs to defend their actions or beliefs. However, use it sensitively, as it highlights the pressure someone is under. Put in the hot seat is a powerful and vivid expression that adds drama and intensity to your descriptions of situations involving scrutiny and pressure. We hope this video has shed light on how and when to use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, mastering a language involves not just learning its words but also the stories and nuances behind those words. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to put yourself out there, even if it means occasionally being in the hot seat yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.